Well, one of the main events here is the Glens of Antrim race. 100 plus runners at that, and then for the race to get a bag of potatoes. We like to be different. We like to give something back to the community as well. Hello, I'm Michael McKillop, Managing Director of Glens of Antrim Potatoes. We're sitting on the foot of Lurrigaden Mountain behind us, right in the heart of the Glens. Basically, it's a family company selling the likes of fresh potatoes. We bring them and wash them and pack them. Several years ago, we decided to diversify into potato crisps. We would actually grow the potatoes ourselves, as well as we've got a nice group of growers who grow the varieties specifically for us. We bring that into the crisp plant, and we do it in small 25 kilo batches. Frying process time can take up to 5 minutes. So we would produce 1 ton of crisps per hour per batch frying. For us, it's all about quality. They're gluten-free, they're vegetarian and vegan friendly, no artificial colours or flavouring, so everything's natural ingredients. So the likes of the cheese there, we get a block of cheese and we shave that down, and that goes into the flavouring process. That's kind of how natural we do it. We also cut it slightly thicker than the rest, and we have it with the skin on, so that's giving it more natural taste and appeal. So I have a team that sits down when we test all the different flavours, and sometimes that means sending a flavour profile back at least 10 times to get the right flavour. Balmoral's show for us is to meet with our customers, the farming community as well. We're going to be doing testing so that we fit to get to taste all the flavours. There is opportunity to buy some, as well as we'll give some out. We call this a pillar style pack. We normally use this for the local market, but now we've done a bit of innovation. And inside is a box of crisps. Generally before, what you done was you open up the pillar style pack and crisps went everywhere. We're calling that shindigs, and we've got a smaller version of the box as well for airlines. Early next year we will be putting up a distillery on site here. The plans are well on the way to progress. Exciting times for us in the Glens.